Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. I still remain your brother, Ebdon TV. When I'm in Ogan, one name and I salute the weed. Nah, salute the weed. Carry the camera account. Nah, about you put us on. About our name and email Sydney. Maybe na mpo, ibi na umuoji, ibi na side anya melomoa. Ibi na kebe magoa, ibi na nkese side. Mo na ibi na ebo na ma na ibi na so side the market. One ne Burundi ga eba. Na de mo de keta ejure eba na cho ya yeri. Awu ni chori ije eba nketa. Je eba nketa, awu ni isigo ni 100,000 yere che. Awu ni ma na imesi ni na we say dig ni o say yes na ni nka atoka. Ichokoro ni 200,000 sie kita ro gbara ga richa ya na solu de beriera. All the market is dey prepare shop. I told you go put and just watch the video. Good what if na ekun.
Anambra Bueno. Anambra Bueno. Bueno. Abia Monica. Tata for Monday. February 2nd, 2026. Okay? I think I'm the Marco no man. In my Maya. Ona different go. Ona no. Today on Monday, I think I'm the canal no. Those of you put on Tata, Ekene. Ona one day you Anambra. Ona no kya. Adam Togo. No one day you Anambra. Mondays I got them mega shops. And I'm a German market. I'm going to main market to shop in a main market for the first time in 5 years on a Monday. The shops there are open. Main market is open. Main market is open. Main market is open. Finally, after 5 years, we can now shop at main market. Now, I'm going there to buy a few things. I'm going to shop. I'm going to shop. I want to buy a shop. That's a yellow bag. Let's go. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, so crack it. So you can be shot at the market. Like, is it worth it? You guys like it? You guys like it? Can imagine. Can imagine. Yeah, you never Are you live?
Are you live?
I'm not going to say now. Come on.
Hey!
Okay. Okay, you could get your way. No, no. How many million? There you go. I make one. I am all to that. Okay, that's idea, man. What's here?
Ife a bụ Lagos line. Lagos line ị na-anụ maka ya na main market. Ọ Lagos line dị ife a. Ị na-anya efu ka onye ọbụla si wepụta afịa, onye ọbụla na-achọ ọpịa. A na-azụ afịa na Lagos line main market. All shops are open. This is Lagos line main market. Ebe a na-ele shirt, trousers. Ọ ya ebe a ka m nọ ife a. All shops are open na Lagos line. A na-azụ afịa, onye ọbụla pụtaba afịa Monday. O nwere ife nọ n'ụlọ eme, kpọje nwa gị skuul pụtaba afịa. This is Lagos line. Ị na-anya ifo na 98% of shops dị na Lagos line mepere emepe. 98% shops dị na Lagos line mepere emepe. This is Lagos line main market Onitsha. Lagos line main market Onitsha. Pụtaba afịa, pụtaba afịa, pụtaba afịa, pụtaba afịa. pụtaba afịa. This is Lagos line, main market. All of them are out. All of them are doing their businesses. Today is Monday, 2nd February. Onwere ihe nọ n'ụlọ eme pụtaba afịa ka ịzụba afịa. Ekene m unu.